Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
It keeps a smile on her face, makes her feel better every day. Oh, I love and I lost her. Let me be the one you. Oh, I need everybody to hold it up. There is something I want. Keep the good, bad, happy or sad. It's to never love me. You are my shining star, my guiding hour, day or night. That I don't love you, touch you. How I spend my day dreaming, planning how. Before I let go, I see you now. Somebody free. Did you
What up, family? Welcome back to the channel and happy Saturday to you. I thank you all for continually showing up and showing out for me, so I appreciate you being here on today. I'm shining. Okay, anyways, I'm headed out. I decided today was going to be the day that I take this comforter to the laundromat. I have been doing it here at the house, but it just takes forever to dry it, and I do not feel like doing that today. So I'm just gonna go somewhere where there's a bigger washing machine and bigger dryer to get it done quicker. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna head to another vegan festival today at IKEA. We're gonna run an IKEA since we're there. I do need a couple things out of there. And yeah, anywhere else we go, I'm gonna take y'all with me. So again, I'm so happy that you're here, and let's kick it. What's up, family? So I found a really nice laundromat. I'm glad I came to this one and not the one I went to at first. This one actually has a little cafe restaurant attached to it, which is perfect because I brought my budgeting stuff and everything, and I'm sitting at a little high top table. So yeah, and I'm getting ready to do a little bit of budgeting while I wait, and I'm waiting on an order of fries. So let me walk over here and let y'all see. 1 second. All right, so these are the big ones. Here's my comforter, and it was $9 to wash it. However, if you wash here, you get the dry for free. So I'll be putting it in this big one over here, and yeah, so it's only like a 25-minute wash. It did tell me not to add the bleach until it told me on the thing, but I had already put it in there, so whatever. Yeah, but see, they got ice cream. They sell like smoothies and stuff. See, it's really nice and clean in here, y'all. So yeah, they got a nice little station and everything here. Like, it's really nice, guys. And a nice little area to sit. And again, I'm sitting right over here by the window. I got all kind of stuff, so it's real nice.
Don't prove me.
Hey, what's up, family? So I done made it to IKEA. The sun is bright, but yeah, see, this is the second vegan festival that they've had here this year, and I just think it's probably being overdone, and let me show you why. So if you look at the parking lot, it's pretty empty compared to the last one I brought y'all to. Now, granted, it is 95 degrees out here. It is September 13th. It's hot. It's fish grease, okay? However, people go to festivals in the heat here because we have no other choice. But I will say, I don't think we need 2 festivals a year. It's a disadvantage to the vendors, and it's empty out here. I could see it from the expressway. Now, it's a good thing for me because I know I'll be able to get me something quick. However, I just hate that for the vendors. I don't think it's going to get better. That's just my opinion. I'm not going to stay out here to see, but I don't think it's going to get better because we've already had this one. I went to another one where my sister, they had that one, but I just think it's being overdone. So I was kind of shocked to see that they were having another one. But yeah, I'm out here to support somebody real quick. All right.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like
Alright, I hope y'all can see me. The camera looks like it's a little foggy or something, I don't know, but just wanted to record real quick. I'm already gone. I got me 2 cookies. I wanted their red velvet. I saw them advertising, but they don't have it, so I got the pound cake. So we'll try these, but I'm already gone. Yeah, like I said, I just think they overdid it by having it again. They only need 1 a year. So, and this time they don't really have a lot of, unfortunately, food vendors. There's a few, but the main ones who are normally there, I only saw 2. So, unfortunately, this vegan festival is not going to fare well. And I'm getting ready to move my truck closer to the IKEA door. I really feel like this camera is, oh, maybe it's the sun. Oh, it's hot out there. All right, y'all, I'm gonna hit y'all back in a minute. All right, family. So I'm in IKEA, and y'all know I have one of these carts in my office, right? Why is it that they have a lid for them? And why do I have it in my cart? I like that. I am absolutely going to try this out. I'm trying to think, is the stuff that's on the top of my cart, I think it sits above the edge of it. I think my stuff sit higher than this, so I don't know, I'm gonna get it anyways and see if I can play around. I can't remember what's on the top part of it, the top shelf. I'm gonna try it anyways. If it don't work out, then we bring it back. But I just want to take it home and try it out. So just wanted to let y'all know I am in here and I'm looking around. As you all know, IKEA is one of my favorite places to shop. So I don't really need anything except for my dish sponges, but of course, we wouldn't dare come in here and just grab those and not look around, right? Okay.
Edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take yo. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody.
Y'all know I love watermelon, but I'll be god dog if I'm gonna buy a watermelon rug. They need to take these and just send them back. Who getting this? Just why so many over here? Don't nobody want that foolishness. I don't know whose idea that was, but put it back. Put it back. We do not want a watermelon rug. We love watermelon, but no thank you. Then they got it displayed like somebody really want it, and they don't.
Moody. Oh, you big Moody. I crave love and attention.
Okay, family. So my camera look like, I don't know, but anyways. So here's my cart. Excuse the out of place things on my desk at the moment. But here's my cart. So I definitely, and I knew this, would have to rearrange some of these things just to see. Because I know this fits this. So I'm going to take some of the things off real quick and then show you how the lid goes on. All right, so this is how the lid goes on it, guys. But again, I have so much stuff on here that, I mean, in this, that's just telling me I need to go through it and see what needs to still be over here and what doesn't. But I'll have the lid for, I don't know if I even really need this lid. I just saw it and liked it because at the end of the day, what am I putting the lid on it for? I guess if it's on there, like I literally could put something on top too and still utilize that if I needed to. But the mere fact that I had to take these off, I don't even really use this anymore. I do have this. These journals were there. These actually could go in a drawer. I'll play around with it and see. We'll see. I actually could probably take this out of there, use this bin for something else, and just put these items in here. So that's some thought. All of those down there are old planners. Like really, I could get my bin. I'm gonna play with it. The moral of the story is I'm gonna play with it and I'm probably gonna keep it. Because I like it. I like it. It gives it another look. And just a reminder, I should have done this already, but I am going to spray paint this black. So this would be a good time to do it since I'm probably going to take all this stuff off and reconfigure it. So yeah, that'll be a project, super simple project, and I'll show y'all, what it looks like when I'm done. Hey y'all, it is Sunday morning, and you know what that means. It's game day. Go Lions. All right. So look, it's probably just it's gonna be an in-house day today. I am going to visit Jalen later after the game because Detroit plays the early slot. But I'm not doing much. I'm just doing what I normally do on Sundays. I am washing sheets at the moment, preparing to put those back on the bed. I am in this kitchen. And I am going through my IKEA haul. I did show you all what was in my cart yesterday. I did get these cute little black bowls and those containers. I already have bigger containers that match these. These are glass, so I do kind of want to get to where I don't have any plastic containers anymore and just glass. But yeah, I'm in the house. I'm kicking it. I'm about to go through the refrigerator and clean all vegetables and fruits that I purchased from the farmer's market. I've already started that. Can y'all see that? So I got that in some vinegar water right now. I'll be adding some baking soda in a moment to it. So yeah, I'm just cleaning, chilling, and I'm about to probably do my pedicure while I'm watching the game. But yeah, I will get back with y'all in a little bit and yeah.
Keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear
pulled my stickers out because I need to label 2 of my seasonings bottles. I just added my chives to this, and I'm getting ready to add this dill weed to this one. So hopefully, yep, I already see dill seed, and we're gonna look for chives on here as well.
But all the elements live rent free in my mind.
Y'all, I put dill seed on here, and there's one for dill weed. I need to switch it.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one, yeah. You with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you buy.
Family, it's a better weekend in football. The Wolverines won yesterday, and y'all see it. It's backwards, but it's 52-21. Go Lions, go Wolverines. All right, y'all. So I appreciate y'all hanging with me these past couple days. I ain't do too much. I'm sorry if it was a little boring vlog, but yeah, I really didn't have anything planned. But I appreciate y'all always kicking it with me, and I'll see y'all next time.
Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required, cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real.